Hey everyone, welcome back to PresCo. Got a lot of updates today. Not going to do Chainlink like I said yesterday. I'm going to show you something else. New. Let's go have a look. Not that one. So Bitcoin. Following the daily trend on the Bitcoin. See our green support level. Our midpoint. Could even be a little bit higher now. Yep. And our target range before we start hitting some resistance. And what I've been calling for is a cool off back to the 50 to reset momentum. And as we can see, we've got a bullish engulfing candle right here on the 21 EMA on a previous top. So it's looking bullish, it's looking like we'll continue. That's Bitcoin. Ethereum, oh my goodness. This is a 4-hour chart. Okay, that's the daily. That's the daily trend from Ethereum. Okay, we're going hard. We're going hard. And Ethereum signals the altcoins, and some altcoins have been rallying. So I want to bring to you SingularityNET. And this is one that I got into on the 22nd, on the 23rd, something like that, of last month. So if we can find that down here, July. So here I was buying in there. Okay. And that was when I was getting my signals. Okay. So we're buying in here. Let's bring up our risk to reward, 50% downturn for over 150% gain. So that's a more than a 3-to-1 risk reward. You might get a bit shocked at that kind of a downside. So if you're getting in here, you can make it less. You can make it less than the previous low and increase that risk to reward even more. But essentially, when we were buying in was one of the best times. And now what's happened is we broke the midline of this reversal. Okay, we had major resistance. We flipped it, but that was during the sell-off, and we double topped here for another sell-off. We come back, met it in the middle, and then we finally flipped it before breaking bullish. So what I've done is I bought here, and I've just started taking profits. Started taking profits yesterday and today, and I'll show you why. Okay, I took profits here yesterday. I took profits here today. Not that long ago. It's looking great and everything. Okay. We're over the 50. It's looking great. Now I didn't get fully out. I sold 20% yesterday and closer to 50% today, following my 80-20 exit strategy. So it allows me to not get fully out of the market, so that way if we keep going I can still capture some of these gains. But what I'm looking to do is I'm looking to buy it back. Okay, you see my buyback zone there. So we're in the profit range at the moment. We've got our buyback zone down here. Why is this a buyback zone down here? Well, it was the previous top, it's the middle of the channel, it's where the 50 moving average is. And if we take from the ultimate swing low to, let's just say this is the ultimate swing high, and that's where you can find your 618. Okay, so I'm taking profits here on the RSI, which if you watched the indicators video, you'll know why. I'm taking profits up here and I'm buying back below. So on the RSI, this is a great time to be, there we go, my bad. On the RSI, this is a great time to be buying all the way up to the 50. Because once we flip it and we get going, there's where your profits are. So I've recycled some profits into other things, but if we do cool off nearly 50%, then yeah, I'm going to be looking to establish another position around near some support. Okay, so that's how to de-risk, get out of that dollar cost average in, dollar cost average out. Like I said, I'm scaling out, so it's some yesterday, some today. And if we zoom into the 4-hour, you'll kind of see why. We got this pretty high bit on the RSI, okay? And we cooled off, we come down to support, right? Which is great. Now all I'm looking out for is the RSI. we get rejected, that'd be a bearish divergence. Okay, and I want to be out before any bearish divergence plays out. Obviously, if we break through it, if we keep going, that's great. I mean, look at the MACD, it's ballistic. So if we keep going, if we break through, then we're looking to be setting new all-time highs for Singularity. And it's a 50-50 at this stage. Well, I'd say the odds are a little bit more in the seller's favor, because look where we just come from. And we're at the top. We buy support, we sell resistance. So that's just logically what I'm doing. You know, so I've left some exposure if we keep going up. Looking at the Bitcoin pair, AGI versus Bitcoin, you know, we can see that this is going to start happening fairly seriously around the market. You know, there's a big level. You know, we break out of this triangle. And look where the 50 is. It's all the way down here. So, like, of course, it tells me we're going to cool off. So what have I done with my profits? Well, I put some back in the bank. I've also built up some other low-sitting V-chain I was buying yesterday down in that pocket. But these are, oh, that's not too good. Oh yeah, should be fine, should be fine. So the poker market's here. It's like a polka dot, right? It's a subchain of polka dot. So we see it was ranging here and just broke out of it. I expect it to come all the way down and retest and then never come back again, you know? So I've been accumulating in this zone and I'll be accumulating more if we come down here. You know? Cello from yesterday. There's another one. Oh, yep. Sinfin, no, not Cello, Super Farm. Oh, what was it? It was Shiba. Yeah, Super Farm's one of them. Definitely. Look, we're on the bottom here. When we buy bottoms like this is that 100x return. So, you know, nothing's guaranteed. It's still a very risky position. But this is what I'm doing. I'm taking out of AGI, which is at the top, and I'm putting it into bottoms. So, you know, let's see Cardano going ballistic. All right. But the daily trend is just analyzing the trend. Okay. I get Bitcoin, I pair it up with something else. In relation, we look at the pairing chart between AGI and Bitcoin. No chain link today. That would have been a longer video. I might bring it in tomorrow. Then again, we might just have a quick all around the market look, because yeah, it's time for taking profits. Yeah. So everything else, will be on my website. You can come have a look at the website. You can get started. Shows you how to sign up on exchanges. Shows you everything like what to buy, why, when, stuff like that. Just everything to help you out. This is how I learned. I learned from Carl at the Moon, Ivan on Tech, and Jupiter. And this is the daily trend. So we've got our introduction video, the indicators, and the secret sauce, momentum. And the latest video will pop up here. And then I will be filling these out with XRP, Ethereum, and Bitcoin, some daily and 4-hour trending charts, and all the altcoins. Everything you see, I'll be just smashing out the posts. So there's a fair bit I'm looking at. Obviously, I'm only going to cover one or two each day. So if you want to see more, jump into the website. Links are in the description. That's all for me, guys. Thank you very much, and I'll be back tomorrow with another video. Thanks. Bye.